Hey guys! Today I will change the footpeg on my Honda VFR800. Basically, this process is very similar for almost any modern motorcycle. For this simple job, you will need pliers or a small screwdriver. I would strongly recommend to use a brake cleaner or a chain cleaner or any other cleaner to clean the surface before installing a new part. Alright, this little guy is a clip that holds the footpeg pin. Then goes the washer and the pin itself. When the pin is free, just pull it up and take the footpeg out. Of course, if your footpeg is missing, like in my case, you can just undo the pin and clip and take it out, and that's all. Then you need to clean the surface. Again, I strongly recommend to clean the surface. Okay, I know, it's not a rocket science, it's just a footpeg, but you still need to think about how to put it, because the angle changes everything. Once the footpeg is installed, you just need to put the washer and the clip back. Install a footpeg slider pin as a final step. I use a blue thread locker just to make sure it will stay in place. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.